Hi dear crypto investors, this week CEO of Ripple Labs Brad Garlinghouse won the title of the most influential person of 2023. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong discovered the key to expanding the Western civilization. The world's asset management giant BlackRock filed an amended application for the launch of the first Bitcoin spot ETF in US history. Yesterday, on December 6, one meme cryptocurrency turned 10 years old. The anniversary was accompanied by a stunning rally. All in all, the most popular tokens logged weekly gains in the last 7 days. The catalyst for the market buzz was speculation about the imminent approval of applications for Bitcoin spot ETFs. The crypto community welcomed the fact that BlackRock amended its application form with the Securities and Exchange Commission as proof of the cooperation between the applicant and the regulator. However, the Commission again postponed the deadline for the examination of the application by grayscale until January 25th. Besides, the applications submitted by Hashdex and Franklin Templeton were also delayed. Nevertheless, some analysts reckon that the nearest date for bringing a positive verdict for a new financial instrument will be January 5th. Bloomberg experts predict that the regulator will green light all applications until January 10 next year. A part of the crypto community takes such forecasts with a pinch of salt. Skeptics think that no verdicts will be delivered in the next few months. Meanwhile, the main cryptocurrency has been extending its strength for a few weeks in a row without any serious corrections. Interestingly, both Bitcoin and the US dollar printed the highest values of the first week this winter yesterday on December 6. Bitcoin climbed to 44,420. The US dollar index recovered to 104.2. 2 weeks earlier, gold also rallied to the all-time high at 2,198. So the precious metal set a historic record against all 5 currencies. At the same time, gold could not outrun the flagship crypto. In other words, Bitcoin's rally was much stronger than the one of gold and the US dollar. Bitcoin's growth was stronger by 142% than the rally of the US dollar index and by 107% higher than the gold growth. Remarkably, the number one crypto has logged the best dynamic among all digital assets this year. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed by 175% since the beginning of 2023. The crypto has appreciated by 16.4% in the last 7 days, having risen from $37,550 to about $44,000. As a result of this surge in the crypto market, traders closed long positions to the amount of $84.8 million. Bitcoin rebounded to the levels last seen in April 2022 before the collapse in the Terra ecosystem. Bitcoin's rally inspired the crypto community so that analysts make incredible bullish forecasts. One of such forecasts indeed came true 24 hours later after its publication. Bitcoin spiked to its peak. The forecast was presented by Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. He defined Bitcoin as the key to extending the Western civilization. He also called cryptocurrency an alternative to the swollen fiat money supply and antidote to inflation. Ether also went up. Its price grew to a lesser degree by 11.8% last week. The second largest cryptocurrency in the market capitalization settled above the landmark level of $2,000. The token moved up from 2023 to 2,313 in the last 7 days. Its move within a weekly corridor was not smooth. The price durations were interrupted by periods of consolidation. Ether's market capitalization has expanded by almost 80% since the beginning of the year. The native token of Ripple Labs also recovered with this week, though its range was wide from 0.600 to 0.640. The weekly gain was modest, slightly more than 3%. Nevertheless, Ripple whales amassed tokens worth $37 million. Such activity used to serve as a market catalyst. Growing demand among whales tends to push Ripple's price up. The fact that the tokens are accumulated but not withdrawn from large e-wallets reinforces confidence among retail investors. Let me remind you that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission stated in October that it had dropped its claims against Ripple Labs. CEO Brian Armstrong was named one of the most influential figures in the crypto industry in 2023. This title was given by leading crypto analytical website CoinDesk. The Ripple CEO noted that the award deserved to be shared among the whole Ripple army who rooted for the company during the court proceedings. Curiously, the U.S. regulator filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs in December 2020, and the legal action lasted for 3 years. The meme token Dogecoin also has its history. It was designed 10 years ago on December 6, 2013 by software engineers Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. As the logo and namesake, they picked the face of the Shiba Inu dog called Kaboshu, who lived in Japan. The project was created as a joke and alternative to other cryptos such as Bitcoin. Just a month later, after its rollout, the website welcomed nearly 1 million users. In 2021, billionaire Elon Musk turned attention to the meme coin. The monument of the Doge symbol was inaugurated in Japan this autumn. The Dogecoin community is going to launch a physical wallet with a token to the moon on December 23, 2023. Dogecoin celebrated its anniversary by a rise to $0.1. The meme coin opened the week at 0.08, so a jump by 21.5% was a true gift to Dogecoin holders. Historically, the price mainly fell on December 6-7 in previous years. However, this year the crypto followed Bitcoin's rally and broke the mold. Since the time of its rollout, the meme coin has appreciated by 65%. We keep you updated on developments in the crypto market. Don't forget to subscribe to InstaForex TV channel and leave your comments. Our analysts are always ready to answer all your questions. Our crypto review is over. See you online in a week on December 14th.